Manoj Bajpayee's upcoming film Ghoos Khor Pandit is facing controversy ahead of its release. The film has been criticized over its title, which some say hurts the sentiments of a particular community. After the backlash, the promotional material was taken down, with Netflix reportedly removing the teaser on the directions of central authorities. Uttar Pradesh Deputy Chief Minister Brajesh Pathak has also now criticized the film.
फिल्मी दुनिया के लोग भारत की संस्कृति को और खासकर ब्राह्मण समाज को टारगेट कर रहे हैं, बहुत ही निंदनीय है। इस प्रकार के जो चलचित्र हैं वो समाज में प्रदर्शित नहीं होने चाहिए, इसकी मैं घोर निंदा करता हूँ।
Meanwhile, the Federation of Western India's cine employees has also raised serious objection to the film's title, warning that it could hurt community sentiments and disturb social harmony. In its letter, the Federation stated, FICE and all its affiliated associations strongly object to the use of this title, as it appears to single out and target a particular community and its traditional means of livelihood in a derogatory and offensive manner. Such a title has the potential to hurt sentiments, provoke misunderstanding, and disturb social harmony. Fueling the unrest, members of the Brahmin community staged protests across several cities, demanding that the film's title be changed. In Bhopal, activists from the Akhil Bharatiya Brahmin Samaj took to the streets, voicing strong opposition to the film. Similar protests were reported across the country, where some protests turned aggressive, with effigies of Neeraj Pandey and Manoj Bajpayee being beaten, kicked and set on fire in presence of large crowds. Responding to the criticism, Neeraj Pandey said the team recognizes that the film's title has hurt the sentiments of some viewers and that those feelings are being sincerely acknowledged. Manoj Bajpayee also addressed the issue on his official X handle, stating that he respects the concerns being raised and takes them seriously, adding that when something one is associated with causes hurt, it is important to pause and listen.
I don't know whether to call it a magazine or a newspaper.
What can I say? As you can see, the iconic Screen magazine. It is. I'm on the cover. It's really nice to be on the cover.
Karan, this is your surprise for the evening.
I remember there were so many times that, he would just turn back and he'd look at me and I was like, Agnipath.
माँ के पैरों के नीचे स्वर्ग है, अरे बाप के पैरों के नीचे जायदाद है।
गीत एंड आदित्य का अभी ब्रेकअप हो रहा है, फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गए हैं वो दोनों एक दूसरे से, है ना? आदित्य बोल रहा है ये अपनी आपकी खुद की फेवरेट है, कौन झेल सकता है इसे?
If you could legalize one thing in India, what would it be? Prostitution, gambling, or marijuana?
I can't hear you.
We have seen you as more of a glamorous role in South Indian movies. And you went to Bombay. I don't know what transformed you. You're today totally different role.
Feel nepotism or no nepotism, I'm here. किसी के बाप की इंडस्ट्री नहीं है.
कहीं ना कहीं मेरी भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज कई बार ऐसे गई हैं जहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा लगा कि maybe I should have gotten the opportunity rather than someone who's from the family.
I love reading your reviews. When you really love something, you genuinely have, and that means a lot.
But that's the whole thing, you guys don't give up in life.
I wish you all the very best. May Screen digitally prosper.